Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use Google Maps to find nearest park. Why would you want to know how to use Google Maps to find nearest park? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Maps and not sure how to use Google Maps to find nearest park. So today I am going to show you how to use Google Maps to find the nearest park. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instruction. Finding nearest park on Google Maps is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open Google Maps app. You are seeing different locations and not being able to find a nearest park for your entertainment for your kids properly. No need to worry, you are seeing different options under profile icon. Slide to left side. Now you are seeing more option. Click on it. Now you are seeing different buttons at the top. Click on things to do button. Here you are seeing parks. Click on it. Now you will only see parks in this map. Now if you are willing to find nearest park, click on relevance and select distance. You can see the nearest park. So there you go. If you were wondering how to use the Google Maps to find nearest park, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.